Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm going to show my kids, my high school students, how to get into their LMS. In my example, I'm going to show Blackboard, but the kids at Hayes High use Canvas, and with my diverse kids that don't know the internet very well, it's really hard for them to understand how the Canvas works. So I'm going to kind of show you guys how to get into Blackboard because my Canvas right now doesn't have any courses in it. So what we're going to do, we're going to just type into the web address FHSU. Okay, and it just pops up right away. You're going to hit Blackboard. We're going to go and type in your username and your password. And this is the Fort Hays one. Your courses will be over here. We're going to go into, let's try calculus. We're going to go down so we can get into where we want to do our assignments. You're going to go to course tools. You're going to go down a little bit. On the middle of the page, it's going to say Pearson's My Lab and Mastering. You're going to click that, and we're going to do My Math Lab, all assignments. That should take you to mymathlab.com, and this is where your assignments will be. And it will have the date on when you need to have it turned in. And over here you can see how far you've gotten on it and what you've got on and what you need to do left. And let me show you one more thing. Get out of this. And I'll show you kind of how we can maneuver around Blackboard. This is me. This is where you can see your grades and notifications in your courses. Here's your grades, and here are your notifications and updates. And that, students, should get you a brief introduction into how to get into the courses and your Blackboard and how to get into your assignments and calculus. Thank you.